I felt that I was isolated from the outside world only because being Roma.
We don't have water usually. We don't have electricity. We don't have roads. We have like dirt and mud. When we talk about our problems, other people think that we're over exaggerating the things. But no, we really live in the jungle.
Самия вирус, нали, се изисква чистота, хигиена да самим. Каква хигиена, след като целият квартал е в кал, мръсотия, боклуци?
People here don't find sustainable jobs. They are trying to just get some money for their bread for the day.
The state is not considering us like citizens. I believe that the state is like a mother for us, you know. She should think about us, should help us when we're in a need, and it's not happening.